Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free TikTok coins in 2025. So as you can see, I got tons of coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically there's a site called zoomods.com. They have a ton of modded apps. So go to the search bar and type in TikTok. And as you can see, it says TikTok coins mod. So press on it. And then once this downloads, you will have unlimited TikTok coins just like you saw on my TikTok app. So I'm just going to wait for it to download here as you can see. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and load. Now, there is one more step before we can actually get our free TikTok coins, and I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So basically what we have to do is complete like a verification. It's really easy. We just have to download like 2 apps. And as you can see right here, it says TikTok coins mod installer. Please install 2 free apps. Now there's going to show 4 apps. And the reason that some people do not do well during this process is they forget that they actually have to read and complete the instructions below each app. Whereas TikTok says run for 30 seconds. WGT Golf, you got to reach level 10. Color Block, run for 30 seconds. So you just press tap to install. It will redirect you to the App Store. And then you just got to download the app, guys. And make sure you read those instructions because some people do not read them. And then they rage because they think that the process is fake. So as you can see, I have a ton of TikTok coins right there. So be sure to try this out if you guys want to get free TikTok coins. And by the way, they have like an AI and stuff. Like you can actually ask for help, which is super cool. And it literally, and also I want to mention that you might see different apps than me. That's totally fine. You don't have to have the same ones. But this is super cool, guys. You can get free TikTok coins. How insane is that? Like, this is so wild, bro. So, yeah, I'm not trying to be rude, but, like, why would you want to be, like, paying for TikTok coins? You can get them totally free with this method. So, I'm going to see you guys in another video. But, yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. And it totally works. So, yeah, peace out.